Now the fun part. I'm going to do a before, after, and after of cleaning the bird cage. The reason why I'm posting these videos just for people who think having birds is a lot of fun and birds are easy. They're sweet, they're kind, they have minds of their own, and they're very messy. So if you're thinking about getting a bird, especially any bird in the parrot family, please do your research. Study. Talk to people who have birds. Visit pet stores. Talk to private breeders. Again, they're not decoration. They will demand your attention and scream until they get it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you at the next one.